Hello everyone! We are from group 3
and we want to introduce our member. The first one, Ria.
Hello, my name is Taulia Pujilasari.
Hello, my name is Yola Meristia.
Hello, my name is Putri Adianti.
Hello, my name is Davina Zandra.
Hello, my name is Sisi Amelia.
Hello, my name is Indah Permatasari.
Hello, my name is Ashin Firdaus.
So, without any further ado, let's get
started!
It's all start on May 15, 2024, when the Secretary of the Ministry of Education and Culture made a statement that higher education was tertiary education. The statement has become a topic of discussion among the public, especially we are as college students. This is interesting issues because we see how the state responds to the current situation about education issues.
So you guys might wondering why we choose these issues. So as student, we think that education is very important, especially at higher education. College is not a tertiary need, but an essential one that can shape our individuals and our societies. Through college, we can gain many things like knowledge and skill that can be used to contribute to our societies. Therefore, this issue is deserves serious attention so that we can create a better system education for our better generation.
We have conducted interviews with several informants and we got various answers from different point of view regarding this problem. So this is the result of the documentation from this interview.
What do you think of the government's view on what they say about it?
In my opinion, I think since the Ministry of Education was graduated from university outside of Indonesia, and he also took lots of study and school outside of Indonesia, that's why he could reach that conclusion, which is that education is tertiary. That's actually wrong for me because education should be accessible and available for everyone. That's why, in my opinion, the government's view saying that the education is tertiary is kind of a big misconception because education is a ladder, is a way for you to improve your, let's say, your life and your chance of getting a better life. So that's why I don't really agree and I don't really follow their view.
Okay, I really agree about your opinion.
Thank
So
you.
next is, do you agree with the notion that education is tertiary, need asset by the government, and why?
Okay, first of all, I disagree. But let's talk about the definition of tertiary needs itself. So tertiary is something that you can reach because if you reach, and that is actually sad and, let's say, ironic because education is a way for you to get a better life, and one of a better life is by being rich. If you can get education because you're not rich, then how would you get a better life? How would you get a better chance in improving your life? Because if I'm not mistaken, and from my own experience, education helps you improve your well-being, your chance of getting a good life, your chance of getting a good, let's say, a good payment. So if you don't have enough education, let's say education needs, and you don't have the chance to reach it, then how would you get that result? Moreover, in my opinion, if it feels like you create a gap between people that they cannot even feel educated, so they just ended up in high school instead of college, or they can even reach a doctoral, or they can even reach magistrate because there's a gap created by the government that prevent them from enrolling higher education. And I think that is really sad because the government should be able to provide and should be able to bigger the chance of people to be educated. So I think I disagree, and it's kind of a bad decision to say that.
What's your hope or solution for the government in dealing with education issues in Indonesia? Actually, my hope is simple. Hopefully, the government will be more sensitive and apathetic to educational issues, for example, expensive single tuition prices, so that every individual can get access to education. And I also hope that the government can always keep up to date so they can find out what students need nowadays. That's all from me.
Higher education or college is not a tertiary need, it is a primary need. The government stating this reflects that the government does not want Indonesian people to become smarter. College typically focus on undergraduate degrees, practical skill for students become more specific profession, and college is important for Indonesian people to become more critical and up to date about the issues around them. So college is not a tertiary need.
The Indonesian government must take education, especially higher education, more seriously for a better future. Greater attention from the government to higher education will encourage a significant increase in the quality of Indonesian human research. This is crucial to realizing an advanced and globally competitive Indonesia. Investment in higher education is the key to a golden Indonesia.
Solution that society and government should do for higher education that is considered a tertiary need. First, the government can subsidize education in the form of scholarship and ensure that the scholarships are targeted to the underprivileged, and also ensure that higher education is accessible to all. And for the society, they should raise awareness of the importance of higher education, support their family members to pursue higher education, and also actively seek and utilize scholarship programs or educational assistance.
Conclusion is the Indonesian government's statement branding higher education as a tertiary need has sparked widespread outrage, especially among students who view it as a primary necessity crucial for national development. Concerns arise over restricted access for underprivileged groups, exacerbating disparities and impacting future human resource quality. Students at the public demand greater government prioritization, support, and inclusive policy making to ensure affordable, quality higher education for all.